The following is brought to you by Cosmetic Surgery Center.
All right, we love to talk about all the services at the Cosmetic Surgery Center, but we like even more to see them, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Right here on the show. Dr. Rhys Branman joins us today. You brought Crystal back, hello, to talk about chemical peels.
Chemical peels.
Yeah.
Now, I've asked you this question before.
Okay.
I'm going to ask you again.
Ask me again.
Who did the first chemical peel?
Oh, man.
I know.
I don't remember.
You don't?
I bet it was a long time ago. Chinese? Or...
Close.
Okay.
The Egyptians did.
Okay.
All those pharaohs, you know,
Ancient.
They wanted to look good, you know, for all the monuments and everything.
Right. I was trying to think of one woman, but we're just talking about a region.
That's right. That's
Okay.
right. So the Egyptians were the first ones to do chemical peels.
Uh-huh.
And they used sort of natural products that were in the environment there.
Right.
A lot of them were acetic acid type of things.
Yeah.
And now we have sort of taken that and applied it to everyday chemical peels that we use here.
Yeah, and you guys have really started doing a lot more for the skin and face. Thanks to
We
Crystal.
have. Thanks to
being
Crystal.
there.
Crystal's our famous Crystal, as we say.
Absolutely, she is. She says, oh my goodness.
I know.
But so we're doing one right now.
That's
and a lot of people think, oh no, this is too harmful. You know, it's too strong.
Right.
What would you say to that?
I would say no, because chemical peels really run the range from very light chemical peels like glycolic acid to medium chemical peels like salicylic and Jesner's, all the way up to, you know, hydrochloric acid and a number of other stronger things like trichloroacetic acid.
Yeah, but this is a medical amount
this is
of it.
Medical grade.
Yeah.
We've got professionals like, you know, doing this, and really it's a nice way to rejuvenate your skin, especially in the wintertime.
Yeah, okay. Crystal, sort of tell us what you've already done and the process you go through here.
Okay, so we started with cleansing her skin, and then we prepped it to get all the natural oils and things off of it.
You want it super clean.
Exactly, so that the acid will actually adhere a little bit better.
Okay.
I am applying salicylic to her right now. This is one that actually neutralizes itself, which is nice. But this is going to help with like breakouts, oil. It can also help with inflammation in the skin, but it's really good to kind of brighten.
Yeah. Fine lines, we're all trying to get rid of those, and it's
you
great
know,
for that.
And this time of year when your skin is dry, a lot of times you have a layer of dead skin cells.
Right.
And this helps remove that layer and then really get you started over again. We get you hydrating again with like HA5. We get the TNS serum on there to sort of help kind of rejuvenate the skin. And the combination of doing the chemical peel, starting over, and then rehydrating afterwards and keeping it up really makes a big difference. And then what we do is we usually do a series of 3 chemical peels. And what that allows us to do is kind of keep getting that dead layer of skin off of there, and then it allows us to really rejuvenate the skin and even up your tone.
Especially if you've got scarring or anything like that, or just real problem skin, that series of treatments is going to make a difference.
The series of treatment really does make a difference.
Yeah, great time for this. Like, well, of course, everybody's got this dry winter skin, but we've got special events and galas coming up, and it's great for that, isn't it?
It gets you prepared, and then, you know, and most people are so busy they don't have time to the downtime. And these lighter chemical peels with the other products that we use really does rejuvenate the skin over time and allows you to kind of maintain your busy schedule.
Yeah, okay. Let me ask our lady who has the best job around. I said, how does this feel? Because a lot of people think this is going to burn or it's not going to be comfortable.
It doesn't burn. It tingles a little bit, but it's not anything uncomfortable.
Yeah, you know something's going on when it tingles, you know it's doing its job. Okay, what else will you do now, Crystal, like to take her through the rest of this?
Well, so we'll wait for it to kind of neutralize itself. And I can actually, depending on how hard I press, is how deep of a chemical peel it will be. So depending on what they're needing and what they're wanting as far as downtime, I can do that, but also layers. Multiple layers depending on their needs as well.
So you have total control over how much
this
is going to affect her skin.
Yes, and then we always put sunblock on because they never want to leave the house without sunblock.
Important to do that, especially after a peel.
And what you'll see is that she'll kind of spot touch things a little bit harder. You'll notice that she's got a little bit of pink coming through there.
Right, yeah.
And that's that chemical peel starting to act and really work well for her.
Right, yeah. So it is really specific to the client.
It is specific to the
for
client.
exactly what they need with their skin. And then always, you've got great products. I know, Crystal, you'll send home with her if she wants to, so that she can keep this up and keep that beautiful skin. Okay, I think it's a great idea for Valentine's Day, right?
It is a great idea for Valentine's Day. A series of 3. Great. We're also giving away a series of 3.
Yeah.
For the 7th caller to our office.
Yes, to the Cosmetic Surgery Center.
To the Cosmetic Surgery Center. We'll get a series of free chemical pools.
That's wonderful. I mean, that would be a great Valentine's Day gift. I know you've got all kinds of gift certificates that are available too.
We actually have a special too.
Okay.
We're doing a chemical peel event. We started it on Valentine's Day, but it's already filled up, so we decided to open up on Wednesday, and I think we might still have a few spots available.
For Wednesday, you could get in there and get started on
That's
this
right.
new skin regimen and give them a call. But 7th caller right now, they're going to be they're already answering the phones. Here's the information on your screen. If you're interested in any of the many services they have, just give them a call and ask questions. That's why they're there, is to answer.
Right.
And go on the website. You can see great before and afters too. Okay, thank you, ladies. We're going to let her just relax and get her skin ready for the next season.
That's
Thank you. Good to
you're
see
welcome.
you.
It was good seeing you too.
Back in just a moment. Up next, we're talking